GM of the Goa NABARD, Srimati Usha Rameshji, and also Sri Vasant Savardekar, the DGM of the NABARD. Among the audience, all the managers, different managers from the different banks, the government officers here. First of all, congratulations for the National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development for playing an important role in the development of the sustainable agriculture as well as the rural development. Also, I appreciate the efforts of the NABARD in organizing this seminar involving the state government, RBI, the bank, R&D institutions, academic institutions, and also the NGOs representatives are there. India is predominantly an agrarian economy, and with around 50% of our population is involved in the agriculture activity and contributing around 20% of the gross domestic product in the country. However, in Goa, the agriculture contributes just around 5% of the GDP. So there is a lot of scope in the increasing the agriculture activity and the income from it. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji is on mission for doubling the farmers' income by 2022. On the same line, the government is committed to increase the agriculture activity in the Goa and providing all the necessary infrastructure and economic support for the Goan agriculture sector. The government is also focused on diversifying the income source of the farmers and through the promotion of animal husbandry, poultry, goatry, organic farming, etc. The NABARD is playing the important role in partnering with my government for providing the grants for the financial support for the various developmental projects in farm and non-farming sector. I also appreciate for the NABARD the role in providing the financial assistance for the various rural developmental projects undertaken by my government. My government has recently launched the Swayambhurna Goa campaign, and which is also the vision for the Goa line on the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. In order to become the Swayambhurna in the true sense, Goa needs to be the self-reliant in the areas like agriculture. The Goan youth should look in the agriculture as a profitable and sustainable alternatives. The Goan agriculture should adopt the new technology in order to increase the production and the quality of the produce. So I urge all the villagers, agriculturists, NGOs and my youth too to make the best use of available resources, schemes and infrastructure. They strive hard to produce, manufacture, process locally. Be vocal for the local by supporting our fellow Goikar and by purchasing their agriculture produce from them. As rightly the Madam Usha had purchased the Kunbi sari from the locally, which is Goan. The world is going through the phase that due to the COVID pandemic. So I urged the bank and financial institution to come forward and to encourage the micro entrepreneurs, the SHGs, etc. to take the economical activity and guide specially for the rural Goan to producing, manufacturing, processing and to remain the vocal to make them globally. In this regard, I would like to congratulate the NABARD for extending the line of credit for the Goa State Cooperative Bank by the way of refinancing rupees 20 crores after the span of 24 years. The theme that today's event, it is an collectivization of the agriculture produce. It is important to ensure the better price for the realization of the farmers. Our government is committed to extend the necessary support for the formation and narrating the producer organizing of the state. Lastly, I am happy to see that the NABARD is committed towards the Swayambhurna Goa, the efforts towards the supporting the work for the Kunbi artisans, tribal development, extending support for the rural heart and mart, and committed towards driving the self-help groups movement in creation of livelihood activities through the entrepreneurs development, micro entrepreneurships, etc. and will eventually fulfill the objectives aimed under the Swayambhurna Goa. Let us strive together to make our Goa is truly Swayambhurna and to achieve the mission of the vision at the 2025, the Atmanirbhar Bharat Swayambhurna Goa. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your plans. We promise that NABARD will take forward your vision to achieve Swayambhurna Goa. Now I request our General Manager, Srimati Usha Ramesh, to present a fruit basket to Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, sir. Sri P.S. Reddy, sir, Finance. Sri N.J. Nambodri, sir, General Manager, Reserve Bank of India. And Ms. Sukhinder Kaur, Madam, General Manager, State Bank of India. To sign off today's program, I request my colleague Sri Ajay Naik to propose a vote of thanks.
गुड आफ्टरनून सगळे अतिथीगणांना माझा सादर प्रणाम. हांगा जमलेल्या सगळ्या लोकांक मोग आसा परत येवकार आसा. द सन दॅट रायजेस हॅज टू सेट, द फ्लावर that bloom has to gloom. Likewise, our program has now come to an end.